A rebellion within the Aam Aadmi Party. 6 names were announced as cabinet ministers in Delhi. The 7th is extremely miffed. He is Vinod Binny. Vinod Binny is seen as a giant killer and he has revolted against Arvind Kejriwal because he was denied a cabinet berth. He is an MLA from Lakshmi Nagar. He defeated A.K. Walia, and what sources are telling us that he stormed out of that meeting with Arvind Kejriwal when he wasn't made a cabinet minister. Yogendra Yadav is said to be trying to pacify Binny, who actually vanquished 4-time MLA and minister A.K. Walia. Vinod Binny is extremely miffed and he's promising a huge expose tomorrow morning. Headlines today's Ankit Tyagi now joins me for more on this story. Ankit, this was expected because when the list of probables were being drawn out, Vinod Binny was extremely prominent in that list. He is the brain behind the Nukkad Sabhas of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Absolutely, Gaurav. In fact, if you remember, at around 4:35, when we broke the story of the cabinet of Delhi, me and you were discussing that one name that is surprisingly missing is Vinod Kumar Binny, because he was seen as a sure shot bet as far as the Aam Aadmi Party's new cabinet is concerned. But let me just break down the dynamics. In fact, as soon as the cabinet was, we broke the story about the cabinet and who were the 6 faces apart from Arvind Kejriwal. Soon after that, Manish Sisodia walks in. We tried to speak to Manish Sisodia. Manish Sisodia didn't say much and he walks up to Arvind Kejriwal's residence. He is followed by Vinod Kumar Binny. About an hour later, Binny goes up to Arvind Kejriwal's house, storms out, comes out in in less than 10 minutes. When we tried to speak to him downstairs, he said, if I say something right now, it will broil into a huge controversy. I am not saying to say anything. Kal batayenge. I will speak tomorrow. I will speak tomorrow. Okay. That's what he said. Went to his car. Yogendra Yadav comes out.
Yes, tell us, what is this big expose? There's this big expose he's threatening Arvind Kejriwal with. What is likely to transpire tomorrow and what is happening through the night tonight? Yogendra Yadav is trying his best to pacify him. What will pacify him?
Possibly Yogendra Yadav is trying to do that, because after Binny came out, Yogendra Yadav came down from Arvind Kejriwal's residence. He did not speak to the media. He sat in the same car as Binny and he left with him. Possibly he is trying to pacify him. We are not yet sure about the big expose or anything else that Binny wants to speak about. We will have to wait for some time whether he's holding few cards to his chest. I also spoke to a senior source within the Aam Aadmi Party, Gaurav. He said that there was a role in mind for Binny. Probably he has misunderstood. We will try and sort this out. So already the reconciliatory tone from the sources within the Aam Aadmi Party, they will try and pacify Binny, whether Arvind Kejriwal relents or not. Because very interestingly, Yogendra Yadav also told us that the cabinet is the chief minister's prerogative. He knows who he has to pick. He knows what he wants and he has done that. It was Arvind Kejriwal's decision. But right now, I can tell you, Manish Sisodia is still upstairs at Arvind Kejriwal's residence and they are talking about the developing situation.
Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. Ankit Tyagi, for the moment.